Hi guys, today we're going to install the floor mats set from Ruiya in our Volvo XC40. Right here we have the driver side mat. This is the passenger side. And in the back we've got the mat for the rear passengers. Mats are made of TPE material. It is 100% non-toxic. The material is waterproof. You can easily clean it with water. The main reason why we got these mats is because, first of all, you can see this huge raised edge on all of them, which the original mat doesn't have. And besides that, the driver's side mat, which we will show you shortly, is pretty much almost just a half of the new mat. We will remove the original mat. As you can see, guys, it only ends approximately right here. And let's see how it looks compared to the new one. So, as I said, it is significantly shorter compared to the new one, which again, in our opinion, makes a big difference, because over here you won't get any dirt and water. And this is how the passenger side looks like in Volvo. This one is actually longer than the driver's, so I will remove it as well. And this is how it compares to the new mat. Again, as I said, the edge is probably an inch higher than the OEM. And also, as you can see, guys, they have the same type of holder that holds it in place. I will first install the driver's side. So this thing just gets pushed on top of this plug, and yeah, it's, again, it was designed for this vehicle, and as you can see, guys, immediately it raises the amount of protection under the pedals, where you won't damage this carpet underneath. And yeah, it fits perfectly. I'll show you up close how it looks. So the mat goes all the way underneath the pedals up there. And the passenger side. Okay, so similar idea. It fits well, goes all the way underneath, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Just goes inside, fits, and has better protection than the original. And this is how original carpets look in the back. Don't get me wrong, we like them. It's just the new ones, they just provide a little bit more protection. So I will remove this one. This section in the middle gets removed separately, and one more. And our new mat comes as one big piece. It may be a little bent from transportation, but with time it will get back to normal. But actually, overall, yeah, it's pretty much fine. Just this small section, and So yeah, guys, fits nicely in the back, gives you all these raised edges, and if you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description. But overall, yeah, we are quite happy with it so far. By the way, guys, if you're interested in these seat covers, we have a separate video about them. I will leave you the link. But back to our mats. Yes, this is how they look, this is how they work. We are quite happy. If you are interested, I will leave you a link in the description. Check it out, and we'll see you in the next video.